In this video I am going to show you how to get to Windrest Bridge in Black Myth Wukong. Start by heading to the Counseling Tiger entrance, Temple Entrance Shrine in Yellow Wind formation. Then climb the flight of stairs beside the shrine. You will see a closed path across the water. Then interact with the stone boulder and you will learn that you need the stance of stone to proceed. Note: if you want to unlock the statue and gain access to the path, you will need to defeat the formidable Stone Guard boss, located in Yellow Wind Ridge's Fight Cliff near Rockrest Flat. Collect the Stanners of Stone from the defeated boss. But if your goal is to reach Windrest, you can skip that step for now. Instead, run around the enclosure and exit through the stairs behind the structure. Then follow the path down the stairs, being mindful of the enemies along the way. At the end of the path, look to your right, and you will spot the Windrest Bridge shrine. And there's you have it. You have successfully reached Windrest Bridge. Now you are one step closer to uncovering the secret of Windrest Village and immersing yourself in the captivating worlds of Black Myth Wong. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thanks for watching.